What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see here, we're killing JPY, and it's very easy to catch this type of the trades when you understand market structure. You know what I'm saying? Market structure means you have to understand the movement of the market before you start trading, right? Let's say the market you're trading uptrend. You know, I say you must know, like, yo, I'm trading uptrend, which I'm waiting for the market to give me the pullback. You know, I say after the pullback, and then after the continuation, I will enter the market. You know, I say you're trading the downtrend. You know, I say this is, I'm trying to break down the meaning of the market structure. If you're trading the downtrend, you already know that you need to wait for the pullback. I say wait for the pullback, maybe the trend line or the zone, and then after the market reach the zone or the trend line as a pullback, and then you enter with a pullback, you continue making money with the structure. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. Let me show you how I was able to, how I did to find this trade. I'll show you everything, how I analyzed this market, how I did to analyze this market until I made this type of the profit. Maybe you will learn something from it. Remember, guys, I try my best to get you guys to the higher knowledge, but I can't force you to get to the higher knowledge to be profitable if you don't want it. You know what I'm saying? But for this who want it, who want to become profitable, you have to listen to what I'm about to show you, and you have to watch this full video because I show you all the secrets that I'm using. The secret that makes me money, you know what I'm saying, is the same secret that I'm gonna show you in this video. So make sure you watch this and make sure you pay attention to this, you know what I'm saying. So if you're new to the channel, you're more than welcome. You know what I'm saying, you can join our team, our free Telegram group. The link is always on description. You know what I'm saying, you can click the description, you will see the free Telegram group. You can join the free Telegram group, and once you decide, you can join our VIP group where you're going to be trading our signal every single day. We trade every day, guys. We daily trader, you know what I'm saying. We swing the market. We also trading every day. We do everything, you know what I'm saying. It's up to you. When I give the setup, if you're gonna take the profit for the day, it's up to you, or if you're gonna keep holding the market, because what we do, guys, in the team, we take the high probability. All right, so if you're gonna, if you're gonna be happy with the profit that you made for the day, then it's fine. It's fine for you. But if you feel like you're gonna hold the whole market, bro, until to the end, you're going to hold the market for 2 days, you know what I'm saying, something like that. So let me show you guys, I was able to find this trade right here. Then you're going to learn something from it. Let's get the chart. So now, as you can see here, and you can see this one right here, if you know what I'm saying, you can see this one here. This one is a UDCAD. I did share this in a free Telegram group, and I told you guys that we're gonna be waiting for the pullback, and the pullback is done. I already give this to my team. Now we're in a profit, you know what I'm saying, and we're expecting something like this. Feel me? The movement up to this point, you know what I'm saying. You already know how we do it. So right now we're gonna talk about this one right here. All right, we're gonna talk about this one right here. All right. I want to show you guys in a very simple steps. You know what I'm saying? No complicated things. KDJPY. You can see, guys, the reason why we took this trade. You can see that the trade, guys, the thing that I've been talking about, guys, when you're trading you have to understand the market structure. So now we can see that the market structure, it's uptrend. You feel what I'm saying? So since you already understand that the market structure is uptrend, you need to wait for something like this pullback to the trend line. You enter here, you make money with the continuation. You wait for the pullback again to the trend line, and then you enter with the continuation. You know what I'm saying, guys? I teach this to my students. Very easy, guys, very easy, because this is the like 98% strategy. You don't do anything if the market is not right here yet. You need to wait the market until the market reach the trend line, then you can do something. If feel what I'm saying? So let me show you how I was able to catch this trade, right? This trade, I catch it at this point right here. As you can see here, this is why I give the signal to my team here. This is why I gave the signal to my team. After, you can see that we had the zone here, which the market has been respecting the zone up to this point until the market broke out the zone right here. Then I didn't do anything yet because I knew that the market is still gonna come back at the trend line. After that, give us the breakout again and give us the pullback. All right, the market gave us the breakout here to the zone, breakout the zone. You can see the zone from here. The market has been respecting the zone, respect, you know, say pullback to the trend line. You know, I say obvious, we expected something like this. We knew what's next, and then block out, and then the pullback, this one right here, and a continuation, and another pullback right here. This is why I was like, yo, you know what? This is the right time for us to get in. And then after this point, we got in. I give the signal to my team, TP1 and TP2 right here. You feel what I'm saying? And then we entered, TP1 was hit, and then after TP1 we got a pullback right here to continue with the TP2. So now the TP2 is going to be at this point right here. So guys, don't confuse yourself. You can see everything is very easy to understand. All you need to see is the market structure. It's uptrend or downtrend. When we talk about uptrend, we talk about the market that is going up, which is uptrend. What we do, wait for the pullback, we buy. When the market is on downtrend, what we do, wait for the pullback. You know, so we wait for the pullback to the trend line, we sell the currency. Pullback to the trend line, we sell the currency. That's what we do, guys. You know what I'm saying? So this is the free mentorship, you already know. So do the right things, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like the video and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? And don't forget, in a free Telegram group, sometimes I send you guys some charts, you know what I'm saying, just to get you guys, you know what I'm saying, just to keep you guys in touch with the knowledge, you know what I'm saying, know how we do. So peace out, guys. I'm happy to share with you guys this thing, you know what I'm saying, because I want to see you guys on the next steps, you know what I'm saying. You can see here, you know what I'm saying, we're already in some pips. Yes sir, that's how we do it. So see you guys on the next one. I hope you learned something. Peace.